Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 12 of the little navy splash whale in Heartopia. So it is the navy one. So if you see right here, you'll see the whale and it is located right here on the map on this coral. So again, you're going to want to take a picture. Let me try to find a good spot for the thumbnail as well. Whoops. Also make sure it gets detected or else you won't see the bubble. Take a picture of it until you see this notification. You can't just take a picture of it. If it's like really far like this, you cannot get the bubble. Then you're just going to give it a little boop here, boop. And for the bubble, we are going to go this way. Hopefully I'm going the right way. Okay. I think it could be around this right here. Sorry, I don't remember where it is. Okay, it's here. It's going to float around the rocks and just touch the bubble, pop the bubble. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!